The luxury SUV market has just reached a whole new level with the arrival of the 2027 Maybach GLS 1000, combining unmatched elegance, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking performance. This ultra-premium SUV is designed for those who demand the absolute best. From its commanding presence on the road to its handcrafted interior and powerful engine, the Maybach GLS 1000 represents the future of luxury mobility. At first glance, the 2027 Maybach GLS 1000 makes an unforgettable impression. The front fascia features an even larger illuminated Maybach grille with intricate chrome detailing that immediately announces its prestige. Sleek digital light LED headlights seamlessly integrate into the sculpted front end, creating a sophisticated and futuristic appearance. The long wheelbase, flowing body lines, and exclusive Maybach badging emphasize elegance from every angle. Massive multi-spoke alloy wheels, premium two-tone paint options, and chrome accents throughout the exterior further distinguish this SUV from anything else on the road. Every design element has been carefully crafted to create a vehicle that looks both powerful and exceptionally refined. Step inside, and the cabin feels more like a first-class private jet than an SUV. The interior is wrapped in the finest hand-stitched Napa leather, complemented by open-pore wood trims, polished aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting. The rear seating area is the true highlight, offering executive lounge seats with heating, ventilation, massage functions, and fully reclining capabilities. Passengers can enjoy individual entertainment displays, folding tables, refrigerated compartments, and premium champagne holders. The advanced MBX infotainment system features a massive curved display that stretches across the dashboard, providing seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. Voice commands powered by artificial intelligence make interactions effortless, while a state-of-the-art Burmester 4D surround sound system delivers an immersive listening experience unlike anything in its class. Under the hood, the Maybach GS 1000 lives up to its name. Rumors suggest a highly upgraded twin turbocharged V8 powertrain enhanced with advanced hybrid technology, producing close to 1,000 horsepower. This incredible output allows the luxury SUV to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, a remarkable achievement for a vehicle of this size and comfort level. Power is delivered through a sophisticated all-wheel drive system paired with a refined automatic transmission that ensures smooth and effortless acceleration. Advanced air suspension technology continuously adapts to road conditions, providing a ride quality that feels almost magical. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, occupants experience unparalleled comfort and stability. Technology and safety are equally impressive. The 2027 Maybach GLS 1000 is expected to feature next-generation autonomous driving capabilities, advanced driver assistance systems, 360-degree sensing technology, and predictive safety features designed to protect everyone on board. Over-the-air software updates ensure the vehicle remains current with the latest innovations long after purchase. Of course, exclusivity comes at a price. Industry experts predict the starting price for the 2027 Maybach GLS 1000 will exceed $300,000, with fully loaded models potentially approaching or surpassing $400,000 depending on customization options. For buyers seeking the ultimate combination of luxury performance and prestige, however, the price tag may be well worth it. The 2027 Maybach GLS 1000 is more than just a luxury SUV. It is a statement of success, innovation, and craftsmanship. With its stunning design, extraordinary interior, powerful performance, and advanced technology, it sets a new benchmark for what a flagship luxury SUV can be. If this is the future of Maybach, the future looks incredibly impressive.